Hey everybody, it's Simone with Fami.com, and today we're going to be talking about the Parrot Driver Bluetooth headset. So here we go. The Parrot Driver Bluetooth headset is a great device for drivers who have to deal with short Bluetooth battery life. It works very easily. Simply pair the Bluetooth to your phone, plug the charger into your car's cigarette lighter, then place the headset into the cradle and it's charging. If you receive a call while it's in the cradle, an alarm will sound and your call will be answered as soon as the headset is picked up. The Parrot Driver Bluetooth headset is now available at Fami.com. So remember to follow us on Twitter at www.twitter.com/Famicom and be our friend on Facebook. Just search FamiSpot. See you next time.